My name is Andreas Kaplan and I'm the president of KLU Kühne Logistics University based in Hamburg, Germany. I'm also a professor for digital transformation specialized in AI, social media and virtual environments. KLU's founding mission is to advance the fields of logistics, operations and supply chain management through cutting-edge research and top-notch education. We do believe that a profound understanding of these disciplines is essential for effective leadership and management. Recognizing that not everyone can relocate to our campus in Germany, we've seen the need to extend our expertise globally. Hence, our objective is to expand beyond Europe and establish 3 campuses on 3 additional continents: Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Our goal is to empower and cultivate leaders equipped with robust knowledge in logistics and supply chain management tailored to the specific regional job markets. In essence, our focus is on contributing to regional capacity building in these diverse corners of the world. We considered several criteria, including the significance of logistics and supply chain management when selecting locations in which to extend our international footprint. This led us to choose Vietnam, specifically Ho Chi Minh City, which you see behind me, as our first location outside of Europe. Our goal is to collaborate with local universities to establish our operations and jointly offer degree programs emphasizing logistics and supply chain management. We intend to develop local faculty and infrastructure to support these programs. Additionally, we plan to engage with the corporate sector by providing a range of executive education trainings, workshops, and similar initiatives. Well, regarding timing, it's challenging to provide a precise answer. Fortunately, we find ourselves in the lucky position where the funding for the new international presence, more accurately the 3 planned international campuses, is secured thanks to the generous support of the Kühne Foundation, for which we and I are deeply grateful. However, we are committed to ensuring that our operations abroad align with the academic excellence and quality that KLU is known for. So, in response to your question, I would say our aim is to proceed as promptly as possible without compromising on quality.